Along the history, many different rules were created by countries to define the rights of navigation. However, it was not clear how far each country could go on the water in the exercise of its sovereignty. So, after the Second World War in 1945, President Harry Truman from the United States, for the first time, talked about Continental platform. What does it mean? When the territory of any country finishes, there is a platform that goes through the sea where the country can exercise its own law, its sovereignty, exploring it economically and exploring it military, for example. It became an international custom because Truman's idea was accepted by many countries all over the world, and the idea of international platform became spread around the countries. It means it was a source of law, international custom. However, in the next decades, in the 50s and in the 60s, the countries started to organize meetings in the United Nations to create a convention to define exactly the rights of the countries in the exercise of sovereignty in the seas. So in 1992, it was created the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, deciding that countries would have 360 miles, nautical miles, from the end of their territory along the sea to exercise their sovereignty if they prove that their continental platform takes all this extension. So this is a very important example of how international custom can be transformed into international conventions. To understand the importance of this concept, the concept of continental platform, for example, Brazil has a larger space to explore the petrol, and the so-called pré-sal part of it is in Brazilian International Continental Platform. In the case of Argentina, the reivindication that Argentina do about Malvinas Island, called the Falkland by United Kingdom, they are based also in the idea that Argentinian continental platform reaches the Malvinas Island. So this is a very important international source of law, a very important international concept. Thank you very much.